Okay, good morning, Math 9. Today is Thursday, May the 21st. So this morning we're looking at another way, a fast way of graphing a line, taking advantage of a concept called slope. Slope of a line is the rise over the run. Slope is being defined as rise over the run. And also we are applying the concept of 2 points define a line. So if you have 2 points, if you join 2 points, a line is being formed. It doesn't matter which 2 points you are selecting, the slope will remain unchanged. And if somehow there's a way to find a starting point, let's say this point is given and the run is given. Let's say the run is, this case is 3 units. So we can just draw 3 units, draw a broken line, 3 to the right. And let's say the rise is 4 units. Then you can go up 4. Then we can easily locate another point belong to the line, including with the starting point and this point. Then task accomplished. We can just draw a line through the 2 given points. Then a line is formed. So this method is very easy, so mechanical. You don't need a table to calculate the x and y coordinates. Okay? So for definition, how these concepts relate to what we are doing right now. So what we're doing right now is we are graphing linear equation in the form of this. So last assignment we set up a table, we put x equal to some numbers and then to calculate the y coordinates, and that's take too much time. So from applying this definition, then we can identify the 2 values. The first one is the y-intercept, the starting point. Y-intercept is a point on the y-axis. Then we can identify the value in front of x. In front of x represents the slope, and that's equal to the rise over the run of the line. So first example, y equal to 1x plus 1. Now pay attention to this example. This is by far example of the day because of the number is hiding in front of x. It's number 1, hiding right here. Is your responsibility. Okay? And so we identify this number first. 1. Then this number follow. 1. But since slope means rise over the run, for any whole number, we just put 1 under. Number in front of x, the slope. M is the slope. Rise over the run. 2 over 1 is 2. This one. Minus 3 is the slope. The y-intercept is minus 3. I am going to show you, of course, on the attached sheet which I sent you this morning. Okay? Number 4. So 4 over 5. Okay? It's the slope. B is 7. The y-intercept. So for some people, it's better to write it like this. B is the y-intercept. Okay? So it doesn't hurt for you to refer back to this page later on when it's your turn to complete the assignment. So this morning, okay? This morning you get a copy, get the attached copies, 12 questions. I'm going to show you what to do with 4 of them. Then you only have 8 questions to work on. All questions, please follow the same steps. All right? Now, and we're approaching the finish of this unit. So in the next unit test is going to be on the 29th. We're going to talk about the format. We're going to talk about the time. Okay, is on the Friday the 29th. Okay, now. So this morning, so everybody got this. All right. And so, now let me see if I can get it focused. You may add. I'm trying to get it focused. Give you time to find this attachment. Come on. The focusing feature of this dark cam is not very good. Okay, let me see. Okay, good. Much better, I hope. Uh-oh. Give me a second. So the very first question, you have the paper, you have the attachment, okay. So let me try it again. Oh, come on. Okay. this one. So y equal to 1/4 x. Okay, I'm going to see. Okay, now this one here, y equal to 1/4 x minus 1. Okay, don't want to end up wasting too much of the time. This is the very first question. Okay, so you see I highlight two numbers. So the -1 is the point on the y-axis. So that's the y-intercept. So the y-intercept is -1 and the slope is 1/4. Okay, first step, identify two values. Now that has nothing to do with calculation. Okay? The method is follow the order. Find the y-intercept, which the point at which the line will pass through on the y-axis. So -1 is right here. Okay, see, highlight -1 on the y-axis. Then from this point, the process is called draw the rise and the run. Be consistent. The run always draw a line to the right. So from the point, the run is 1, 2, 3, 4, so 4 units. Okay? And then you go up 1. So the run 4, the rise 1. You see you have a final point. Or you stop at this point with the starting point. Then you draw a line. So that's the question number 1. So let me work on the A. Good. Much better, I hope. Yay, that's much better. Look at that. Yay. Okay. So once again, let me repeat using number 1. Identify two values in front of x and after the x. There are two values. Start from after the x because that's your starting point. And then in front of x. Okay? But this one here. Question 2. So I'm using the space next to question 2. Identify two numbers. So y-intercept is 2. Right away, starting point. The slope is negative, but there's a number hiding. So it's -1. And then you put 1 under. Now pay attention here. I put 1 under just to satisfy the definition. Rise over the run. So not normally, the best way to draw the slope is starting from the starting point, always draw the run to the right, like this, 1 unit. Very light pencil line, very light. I cannot be late because you won't be able to see it. And then if the slope is negative, you see the rise is negative, instead of going up, you go coming down. So you stop at this point. Rise over the run. 1 unit, 1 unit. But since it's negative, so going down. So now you have starting point, you have the end point, you join these 2 points, so you have a line. So that's question 2. All 8 questions you're going to do, follow this. Either example 1 or example 2. Okay? But 2 special questions. Number 6. So y equal to 4 means y always equal to 4. So 4 is right here. Y always equal to 4. 4 is right here. 3, 4, and here, and here. So, as a matter of fact, you are going to draw a line which will satisfy this condition. Y always equal to 4. And make a note means y always equal 4. That's the definition of a horizontal line. So is a horizontal line. Okay? Horizontal line. The next special type of line is something to do with number 8. X always equal to 5. Number 8. This one. Second page. So you guys can follow. Okay. X equal to 5. X equal to 5 is here, here, here. All these points at which X value is 5. X. Okay? And so join these points. And this line here satisfy this condition. X always equal 5. And the outcome is a vertical line. Okay, vertical line. All right, great. So now you can follow the 2 examples and should be able to finish the 8 questions. But so in helping you one more time, so review. Slope intercept form, look at number 12. Identify the y-intercept is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here. Okay. And the slope 605. Okay. So you just go 5 and up 6 and you get a line. Okay, good luck, and hopefully you can get it done and submit this assignment, linear relations by Tuesday. Tuesday is going to be another lesson on how to identify the equation of a line. Then we're going to start the review preparation of a very simple unit test. It's going to be happening on Friday the 29th. So have a good day. Good luck. And Monday is Pro D. So hopefully that would give you time to finish this assignment. I would say assignment of the year. Slope-intercept form is a must. Okay? Is a must. At grade 11, grade 12, your teachers are not going to be bothered to reteach again. So you take care. Have a good day.